guys, welcome back to my channel, Attorney Brooke. Thanks for coming back and joining me. So I'm filming this on a Friday. Thank God it's Friday. I'm exhausted. Today was a butt whooping at work. Had lots of assignments and deadlines to get out, but an interesting thing that happened today, and there's never a dull moment at work, especially in family law. So one of my clients is a little crazy. He's a husband that we represent, and we received an email from his soon-to-be ex-wife asking for my client to stop sending escorts to her house at all hours of the night and to stop delivering pizzas to her and her family that are unpaid for at all hours of the night. So if there's anyone that is annoying you or you don't like, you know what to do, but you didn't hear it from me. Just changed. We're about to go hang out with some friends, so I was gonna show you guys just like some quick, super quick natural makeup that I'm gonna do. So let's get started. First, throw on a little bit of the vitamin C serum that I've talked to you guys about. Just a little bit of the moisturizer. And then I like this product. I believe it's pronounced Say. I'm not exactly sure. It's called the Glowy Super Gel in the tint Star Glow, and it's not really tinted, it's not pigmented, it just has like this iridescent like gel-like serum. Just do a couple pumps just to like give an easy glow. Like you can mix this with your foundation if you want, do it by itself, mix it with some moisturizer, just kind of like whatever you want. I don't know if you can tell, but gives like a natural pizzazz to the skin. Okay, and then try to let this all sit in a bit, but I'm gonna throw on a little bit of concealer because as you can see, raccoon eyes. Nothing major. She's looking better. Around the nose, just whatever's left in the brush. Right. Better. And then what I'm gonna do is just a little bit of bronzing just to like bring my face back to life, just like super big fluffy, like almost like kabuki brush type. Right now I love the Gucci bronzer. It's just the pressed like powder bronzer. I have shade 1. It's actually I think a pretty cool color. It's pretty ran through, but it's like a lighter like rosy undertone, so like the fair skinned individuals out there, I think it's pretty. It's like different than like that like really deep like golden bronze, so. Easy enough. So a new product I'm trying is by Tower 28. It's their SuperDew just like cream highlighter, or just kind of like all around like body highlighter, and it's literally called No Shade. It just goes on clear. So I guess if you're not wanting like the iridescent like sparkly highlighter, maybe throw this on to give your skin just like a little bit of like what would naturally happen, I guess, when your oils just like naturally produce. And then I'll do just, okay, I love this. It's the Makeup by Mario, his Master Hold like brow gel. Love it. I don't know if it comes in other tints. I'm sure it does, but I have the clear one. It just has like a spoolie. The cool thing about the spoolie though, one side of it is like a natural, like kind of regular spoolie, and then the other side, it's like really short little stippled. So I kind of learned his trick of like brushing the brow back in the opposite direction and letting the actual gel like deposit all throughout, kind of letting it coat everything, so you kind of have more of like a tacky control over it. And then you can kind of go back in with like the flat part of the spoolie and just give it kind of whatever. I have worked with this product a lot, so like if you want to kind of like let it get tacky in between each layer, you can try to get like that pushed up eyebrow look, and it will hold pretty well. And I have found that it doesn't really like pill or have a lot of residue, so I really like it. And then I'm just gonna do like super quick swipe of the mascara. And then the Tower 28, I've tried this one other time. I'm still trying to see if I like it. It has really good reviews, the Tower 28 lip glosses. I just got it in clear. Got it from Sephora. And like I've said before, I really like a thick, like tacky lip gloss, which is not the popular opinion. And this one I think is a little bit thin for my liking, but we'll see how it wears. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do a little bit of this Good Chemistry body mist. Love it. I think you can just get it at Target. I have it in, I guess the shade's Royal Rebel, and it's kind of like this like amber kind of sweet smell. And that's it. I'm gonna head out. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.